Welcome to this detailed guide on integrating Google Analytics with your WordPress blog. In this tutorial, you will learn how to connect your blog to the powerful insights of Google Analytics by following a series of straightforward steps. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will find the login option. Clicking on this login area will allow you to access your account and begin the process of enhancing your blog's performance tracking. After clicking the login option, you will be presented with various ways to sign in. One simple and convenient method is to select the Continue with Google option. This method leverages your Google account for a smooth login experience, eliminating the need to remember additional passwords or security details. When you choose this option, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Select the account you wish to use for this integration, ensuring that it is the one where you manage your analytics data. This choice links your Google account directly with WordPress, paving the way for a seamless connection with Google Analytics. Once you are successfully logged in, the next area to explore is the Tools section within your WordPress dashboard. The Tools area is designed to house various features that help you manage your website effectively. Locate this section carefully and click on it to reveal a host of useful options. In this Tools section, you will eventually transition to the Traffic area, where you will have access to data and settings that relate directly to your blog's visitor statistics. Within the Traffic area, you will encounter the interface that provides an overview of your blog's performance. It is here that you will find the section dedicated to Google Analytics. Look for the interface element that invites you to connect your Google Analytics account. This step is critical as it allows your blog to communicate with Google Analytics, thereby enabling you to gather comprehensive data about your visitors, their behavior, and the overall performance of your site. After locating the Google Analytics portion of the dashboard, click on it to start the connection process. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation to connect your selected Google account. Carefully follow any on-screen instructions and make sure to grant the necessary permissions. These confirmations ensure that WordPress can access the essential data from Google Analytics without compromising your security. It is important to keep in mind that the ability to connect your Google Analytics account in this manner requires a premium subscription plan from WordPress. This premium plan offers enhanced features and greater control over your website data, making it a worthwhile investment if you are serious about optimizing your blog. Before proceeding with this integration, verify that your WordPress subscription includes the premium capabilities required for the Google Analytics connection. Once the connection is confirmed and successfully established, your WordPress blog is now set to receive detailed performance metrics. The data provided by Google Analytics will empower you with insights into visitor behavior, helping you refine your content strategy, enhance user experience, and ultimately improve your blog's reach and effectiveness. Thank you for listening to this comprehensive guide on connecting Google Analytics to your WordPress blog. With this integration in place, you are now better equipped to monitor your site's performance and make data-driven decisions for its ongoing success. Enjoy exploring the wealth of information at your fingertips as you take your blogging experience to the next level.